This is a 2011 Dodge Challenger, and we are going to be doing outer tie rods. I've already started loosening this up. That is a factory tie rod. It's going to be 19 millimeter. Excuse me. What we're also going to do is crack our adjusting nut loose right here, and we'll be able to spin this tie rod right off, spin this end right off. So let me get this loose here, and I'll be back shortly. Alright, we have got this adjusting nut loose here. Just a little bit, don't need a lot. And what we're going to do is take our tie rod end separator. We're going to separate this. I'll be right back. Alright, that is popped loose there. We're going to get this thing out of here and put our new one in. Once you've got that adjusting nut loose, the tie rod should spin right off of here. Let me get this off. This should just a little warm. Spin right off of there. We'll get our new one. Got our new one. Now we're just gonna screw that right back on there. We shouldn't have to do any real adjusting because we didn't really move our lock nut. Just wanted to crack it loose so that this tie rod end will come off. So we're gonna put that right back where it was. Tighten up our nut just a little bit here. We're going to put this back in. Flex. That is it. Back on there. And we're going to tighten all this back up. And all we got to do is look for our cotter pin hole here, make sure it's aligned with our nut, which it is not. We're going to tighten this up a little bit more until that hole lines up. Then we can put our cotter pin in. Just about there. That should be it. We should be able to get our pin in there. Let's go from the other direction. The last thing we want to do is tighten up our little lock and nut here. And bottom here we we got our grease filler. So we're going to shoot some grease in there and put our wheel back on, and that will conclude this job. If this helped you out, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you on the next one.